Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to briefly show you how to use the Taco Bell app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Taco Bell app, and then once you're on the Taco Bell app you'll see something like this here. So what you can do is you can basically make orders, like you can order items from using this app. You can make the payment and then order food through this app, and also you can track your orders, and then also you have other options. For example, here, so you can create your own account. If you click on the account, you can log into your account or create an account, and then you can save your address, this is payment details and all those informations here. And then you can also search for the stores. So if you click on the stores tab here, you can look for all the stores that's nearby around your area, depending on your region. And rewards, you'll get rewards based on your purchases, and you can manage that through the reward section here. And then that's your cart. If you add stuff to your cart, your shopping trolley, it will be here. And then here is the menu. So simply what you can do, you can either choose a delivery or a self pickup option here, and then you can simply add any item to your cart. So if you click on, so you can simply select any restaurants that you wish to access from. So just select that, and then what you can do, you can just order whatever you want. So add it to your cart, and then you can simply, once you have added to your cart, so add to cart. And once this is added, so now what you can do, you can simply go to your cart and then just complete the payment. So for example, now if you click on this cart here, so you'll see that item has been added. So now you can simply, what you have to do is just simply pay for it and then complete the transaction. So you can, if you hit on deliver now, it will initiate that. You just have to put in your delivery address and then pay for it, and that's it. You'll be able to, and then once you have done the payment, you can track your order through this app as well. You can check the status of it, and then as I said, you can do a couple of things with this app as I mentioned earlier. So it's pretty handy and useful. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.